Hi y'all, Renee here. I am here today to put together the Are We There Yet card making workshop. This is such a fun workshop. This workshop comes with everything you need except for adhesive to make 16 cards, 4 of each of these designs. And it also comes with an exclusive stamp set that I think is absolutely adorable and will be so useful. It also comes with these dies. These two right here, I can see myself using them so much. They are a perfect size. Let me show you the size in my hand. They are a perfect size to use for gift tags, to use on the fronts of cards, as you'll see me use here because they're not oversized. They would be great to use in your scrapbooking, to mark dates or places. Cute little suitcase. Love this suitcase, which you could also turn into another type of little tag just by cutting off the handle and cutting off the wheels. Easy peasy. Comes with this exclusive stamp set that coordinates with these dies. So there's the stamp set. And then these are my little jigs. Those of you who've watched me for a while know that I do all my die cutting first and then I stamp. That way I don't have to worry about my dies moving on me. And so I use my little jigs in my MISTI to get my stamps lined up. And a MISTI is really helpful, but not required. But if you're looking for something, if someone asks you, what do you want for a gift? I want to buy you something. That's a good thing to ask for because it's a little bit on the pricey side. So it's great to ask your spouse to buy that for you. And it's so useful. I use it all the time. I didn't think I'd use it that much. My husband's the one who bought it for me. I tend to be very frugal when it comes to buying things. So he was like, I think she'll use this. And so he bought it for me. And he was right. I use it all the time. So anyway, back to this. I've already pre-cut all my papers, put my little tiny kits together, as I do with my very fancy Ziploc bags. So I am going to go ahead, put some music on for you. I'll try to find some fun travel type music and put these all together. And then I'll be back at the end to show you what they look like. I hope you enjoy. And here we go. Okay, well, I think I lost some footage. Got one of those weird automated, your what you call it is expiring. I hate those things. I don't have an extended car warranty, but whatever. So I think I lost some footage by the time I realized that the phone call had stopped the recording because I used my phone. So I am so sorry about that. But these were really fun, with the exception of the fourth one. I'll get more into that. So here's card number 1. Turned out really cute, really easy to put together. I love the way it looks. Really, really fun. That's a fun birthday card. So that was number 1. Then number 2, again, really easy to put together. This right here really gave me some nostalgic walk down memory lane vibes. Back in the day, my great-grandmother, who was born in 1888, she would write me, and we sent letters back and forth for years and years. And sometimes she would send me mail that was in an airmail envelope, and this was the stripe that was on the airmail envelope. So it just made me think of her. I miss her dearly. She died in 1983, so it's been a long time. She had a very long, full life, but doesn't mean you don't miss them. So love this card though. And then this one was really fun. I changed this one up from the original design. The original design had you using the same stamp for the 2 on the side. And I thought, you know what? There's another stamp that fits. Why don't we use it? I know it's going a different direction than those, but maybe it's okay. I don't know. You guys tell me. Do you think it looks horrible? Do you think it looks okay? Should I have put this in the middle and this on the side so then I have the 2 landscapes? Or I guess that would be portrait and then the landscape in the middle. You tell me. So, but I still love the card. I was a little concerned about the background, but it came together really easily, and I think it looks really good. Great way to use up some scraps. So I'll be using this design some more to use up some scraps. So that's great. Then card 4. When I was cutting these pieces out, I'm like, this is going to be something else to put together. And I was right. This is difficult. And as I'm doing it, I'm like, you know what? This is not fun. Oh, sorry. My camera is doing weird things. Let's see. Are we still? Yep, we're still recording. I am having all kinds of problems today. Anyway, this was difficult. Exactly as difficult as I expected it to be. And I wasn't having any fun. If you're not having fun when you're crafting, don't do it. Find a different way to do it. So I'm going to take a look at these pieces, this card design, and I'm going to do something entirely different. I do have some solid color cardstock left. I think I might make an embossed image on the back and then just use a solid cardstock. I might also have some of this paper. I think this paper would look good as the background rather than all these squares. Another idea I had was gluing all the squares together, butted together on one big piece of paper and then cutting it down into 3 more pieces because that's how many cards I have left to do. So I'm going to do some workarounds and see what I can find that I like to do better because this was not fun. And if it's not fun, crafting is supposed to be fun. Don't do it. Don't do it if it's not fun. So those are the cards for the Are We There Yet card making workshop. I still have this wonderful exclusive stamp set that I'm sure I will be using for other things, especially those dies. I'm going to move those dies and probably put them on my regular die board. I use a big magnetic die board for all the dies that I use regularly. So I may yank those off of there and put them on my die board so I can use them all the time. But that's all I have for you today. I hope you had a good time watching me. And if there's anything that you have any questions on, just leave those down below. If you're not subscribed, if you wouldn't mind hitting that red subscribe button down below, that would help me a bunch. I'm trying really, really hard to get to 1,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And I really hope I can do it. It's really just something for myself. I don't make any money off of my YouTube channel. You may have had to watch some ads. That money all goes to YouTube. Doesn't come to me because I just don't reach the level that they require for someone to be what's called monetized. So, but the 1,000 subscribers, that's just a little thing in my head that, you know, I must be doing something right if that many people want to subscribe to my channel. So if you want to, please do so. If you don't worry about it. It's no big deal. If you give me a thumbs up, though, that would be awesome. That will help YouTube know that you like my video, and maybe they'll share it with other people. And with that, I will let you go. I hope you're having a wonderful day and a great 2023 so far. And I will see you in the next one. Bye.